In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your Wix mobile menu dropdown. Let's dive right in and get started with enhancing the design of your mobile menu, ensuring it's not only functional but also visually appealing for your site visitors. The first thing you need to do is open your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, providing you the tools you need to customize your site. Once you've accessed the editor, you'll notice options to switch between desktop and mobile views. Since we're focusing on the mobile menu, click on the Switch to Mobile option. This will allow you to see how your site looks on mobile devices and make necessary adjustments specifically tailored for mobile users. Now, you need to focus on the menu itself. Click on your menu in the mobile editor. This is where you can start making tangible changes that will impact how users interact with your content. Upon clicking, you'll find an Edit Menu option. Selecting this will unlock several ways to adjust and manage the items your visitors will see when they interact with your mobile menu. Here you can add, remove, or even reorder your menu items to better guide your site navigation. Next, click on Settings. This section gives you control over certain general aspects like adjusting the alignment and specific functionalities of your menu. Customizing these settings will help streamline user interaction and ensure that the mobile experience is smooth and intuitive. Once you've finished with the initial settings, it's time to focus on layout adjustments by clicking on Layout. In the Layout section, you can manipulate how your menu items are organized, their spacing, and overall alignment. This is crucial for ensuring that your menu does not only look good, but also functions seamlessly across different mobile devices. Afterwards, click on Design. This section is all about aesthetics. Here you can modify the color scheme, fonts, sizes, and even background colors. This step is where you can really align your mobile menu with your site's brand identity, making sure that your menu is visually inviting. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of animation and effects. Adding subtle animations or transitions can give life to your menu and enhance user experience. However, it's important to keep these effects tasteful and not overdone so that they complement the design rather than distract from it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are now equipped to design a mobile menu on Wix that is both functional and stylish. Go ahead and experiment with different layouts, designs, and animations to find what best fits your website's look and feel. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.